Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we want to share with you guys one of our favorite spaces in our home, and it is what we like to call our gaming area. So it's not a room, even though it kind of looks like one. It's just a nook off of our large upstairs bonus area. So we've made several changes to this area since we moved in, that being the gallery wall that you see behind me, as well as the entertainment center that we built to house all of the gaming equipment. Now we do have several other projects that we want to do up here, but until then, we want to make just a simple change, and that is getting rid of the eyesore that is the 20-year-old Builder Grade fan. So I realize in some households taking down a fan is kind of like a cardinal sin. This one actually doesn't get used because apparently it dries out eyes.
Are you making fun of my eyes?
Maybe a little bit.
It's a real thing. Dry eye syndrome is a real thing. Look it up.
I know. Anyways, this fan is obviously ugly. I mean, look at it. So we are actually gonna change it out. Let me show you. We're gonna change it out to this Sputnik chandelier. I think this will go really good in this area. Something simple that is one of our favorite tools is this screwdriver that Jeremy's using. We bought it like probably 14 years ago from Walmart. Black & Decker. If you don't have one, you need one. We use it on every project.
You're gonna have to hold that.
Okay, I will. I gotta find what you dropped. Wire nut, anything else?
That's probably it. If you're watching this and you're thinking, wow, Jeremy, you did a really good job of keeping your composure when you almost destroyed the light you just bought. Just understand, this is YouTube, and that is the power of editing. So you may be saying to yourself, Jeremy, you took down a ceiling fan and you put up a light. I feel like there's going to be an extra wire. And you're right. So what I had to do was I had to take the extra wire for the fan and I capped it off with a wire nut, and then I put electrical tape around it. And then at the light switch, I haven't done this yet, but I will remove the switch that controlled the fan, and I will just leave the switch in that controls the light.
Wow, what a difference that made. Not only just aesthetically, but the brightness is crazy. You're gonna be so surprised. I bought this light off of Amazon. You guys, it was $26. $26 for so much style and so much light. Highly recommend it. We'll be sure and link it in the description below, just in case you're in the market for a new light. Don't sleep on Amazon light fixtures for sure. So a lot of times these Sputnik light chandeliers, they will use Edison bulbs. One thing with Edison bulbs, a lot of them from like the big box stores, they have an amber coating on the outside, and I really wanted the brightness for here. And they're also a little expensive. So for budget friendly, we did go ahead and use the EcoSmart 60-watt LED. It's just a classic glass bulb. And as you can tell, I mean, it still kind of gives that vintage look without the vintage price. So we'll be sure and link up, like I said, the chandelier down below, as well as a couple different light bulb options to go with it. And as always, if this video was helpful, be sure and hit that like button and subscribe.